Hello students, welcome to ELGA online class. Do you know ELGA full form? Already we learnt ELGA expanded form. Once again I repeat it. ELGA expanded form is English language and general awareness. And ELGA components are already we learnt. First one is phonics, second one is whole word, third one is reading and listening comprehension, fourth one is grammar, fifth one is speaking and writing expressions. These are ELGA components. Okay, we should cover all the components every class. Okay. Last class we learnt 3-letter sound, 3 whole word and a story, me and my family, and we have worksheet also. Okay. Before go to the topic, now we are do one clapping activity. Okay. Okay students, are you ready? Okay. See, students, watch carefully. 1, 2. Who, 1, 2, who, 3, 4, who, 3, 4, who, 5, 6, who, 5, 6, who. This is angel clapping. Do you know? This is angel clapping. Okay. Today topic is okay students, today we will learn 5-letter sound M to Q and learn 2 new whole word and we will learn new story, so many houses. Are you ready? Okay, go to the topic. First one, phonics. First component is phonics. The first one we see the flashcard. What do you see in the flashcard? The letter M. The letter M. Okay. See the board? This is capital M. This is small m. Okay. Name of the letter M. Name of the letter M. Sound of the letter Sound of the letter Sound of the letter Okay. See some words for this example. Okay. First one, man. First one, man. 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 Mango. Mango. Match. 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 Mouse. Mouse. Okay, once again repeat it. The name of the letter M. The sound of the letter The sound of the letter Man. Man. Mango. Mango. Match. Mouse. Match. Mouse. Okay, now go to the slide. Students, see the slide. The name of the letter M. The name of the letter M. The sound of the letter The sound of the letter Okay, see the slide. First one, what do you see in the first one? Man. Man. Second one, mango. The sound of the letter The sound of the letter mango. Mango. Okay, now go to third one. Match. Match. Okay, now go to fourth one. What do you see in the fourth one? This is mouse. Sundali. Mouse. 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 Okay. Now see the next letter. Okay. Students, see this flashcard. What do you see in the flashcard? The letter N. The letter N. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter in. The sound of the letter in. The sound of the letter in. Okay. Now say some example words. needle, needle. Nose, nose. Net, net. Okay, the name of the letter N. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter N. The sound of the letter N. Okay, the first one is N. Nest. N. Nest. N. Nest. N. Needle. N. Needle. N. Needle. N. Nose. N. Nose. In nose, in net, in net. Okay, now go to the slide. Students, see the slide carefully. The name of the letter N, the sound of the letter N, the sound of the letter N. See the first, what do you see in first one? Nose picture. N, nose, N, nose. Now go to second one. Needle. Needle. Okay. Now go to third one. Net. 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 Now go to fourth one. Nest. 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 Okay. Students, now go to the next letter. See the flashcard. What is the letter? O. Name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Sound of the letter A. Okay. Now say some example for the beginning sound A. Orange. 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 Ox. Ox. Oil. Oil. Octopus. Octopus. Okay. Octopus. Students, this is capital O. This is small O. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Orange. Orange. Ox. Ox. Oil. Oil. Octopus. 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 Okay, now go to the slide. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. Students, see carefully. First one, what do you see in this picture? Orange. 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 Now go to second one. Ox. Ox. Now go to third one. Oil. Oil. Now go to fourth one. Octopus. 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 Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in the flashcard? What is the letter? This letter P. This letter P. This is capital P. This is small p. Okay. The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. So see some words for example. Okay. The sound P. First one is big. 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 Second one is pencil. 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 Third one is parrot. 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 Fourth one is plant. 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 Okay, once again, the name of the letter P, the sound of the letter P, the sound of the letter P. P, big. P, big. P, pencil. P, pencil. P, parrot. P, parrot. P, plant. P, plant. Okay, now go to slide. Students, see the slide carefully. What is the first one? This is pig. The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. P. Pig. P. Pig. Okay, now go to second one. P. Pencil. P. Pencil. P. Pencil. Third one. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Okay, fourth one is P. Plant. P. Plant. P. Plant. Okay, now go to next letter. Students, see the flashcard. What is the letter? This letter Q. This letter Q. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Qua. The sound of the letter Qua. Okay. Let's see some example for the sound Qua. Okay. The first example is P. The first example is P. Qua. P. Ka. Queen. Second example is Quack. 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 Okay, now see the third example. Quilt. 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 Quack. Quilt. Quack. Quilt. Next example. Pull. Pull. Quack. Pull. Quack. Pull. Okay, students, listen carefully. Name of the letter Q. Name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Qua. The sound of the letter Qua. Okay, see some words for the example. The sound Qua. Qua. Queen. Qua. Queen. Qua. Quail. Qua. Quail. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Quill. Qua. Quill. Okay, now see the slide. Students, see the slide. First one, what do you see in the first one? Queen. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Qua. Qua. Queen. Qua. Queen. Now go to second one. Qua. Quail. Qua. Quail. Okay, now go to third one. Qua. Quill. Qua. Quill. Qua. Quill. Now go to fourth one. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Quilt. Qua. Quilt. Okay. Students, next we will learn whole words. Okay. Last class we learned 3 whole words. Today we will learn 2 whole words. The first one is hair. The first one is hair. First one is hair. Second one is us. Second one is us. First one is hair. First one is hair. We don't use phonic sounds. Okay. First one, hair. See some example for the whole word hair. Okay. The first example is Ria and her class. Ria and her class. Students, now you will find the whole word hair. Yes. Hair, H-E-R. I box it. Okay. This hair is a whole word. Students, say another example for the whole word hair. Okay. Her class draws houses. Her class draws houses. Sorry students, the second example is her class is drawing houses. Her class is drawing houses. Her class is drawing houses. This is first example. This is second example. Okay. Today we will learn two whole words. First one is her. See some example for using her. The first sentence is Riya and her class. Riya and her class. Second one is her class is drawing houses. Her class is drawing houses. Okay. Her class is drawing houses. Okay. Students, now see the second whole word as. Second whole word as. Now see some example for this word. Okay. The first example is the teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. Where is the whole word as? Yeah, it's last. As. The teacher helps all of us. Okay. So the second example. You were looking at us. You were looking at us. Looking at us. Where is the whole word as? Students find it? Yes, it is last. Us. Okay. Today we learnt two whole words. One is her. One is her. Second one is us. Second one is us. Okay. Now go to slide. Students, see the slide. This is your homework. Okay. Take your worksheet book and now I say some letter sounds. You will circle this. Okay. Now I say some letter sounds. Listen carefully. I read the question first of all. Circle the letter sound you hear. Circle the letter sound you hear. Okay. First one I say Students, find it. Suppose you don't have worksheet book, write on your notebook and next you will circle. Okay. Circle the letter sound you hear. Now I told the first letter. The sound of letter Okay. First one is Second one is Second one is Third one is qua. Third one is qua. Third one is qua. Fourth one is a. Fourth one is a. Students, take your worksheet book. Suppose you don't have it, write to a notebook and next you will circle this. Okay. Now I say first one just letter sound second one second one third one qua. Third one qua. Fourth one a. Fourth one a. Okay, this is your homework, children. Don't forget. Okay. Now go to next one. Students, today we will learn two whole words. First one is hair. First one is hair. See the sentence carefully, students. Riya and her class. Riya, R-I-A, Riya. And A-N-D, and her. H-E-R, her. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. They boxed the whole word hair. Okay. Students, look at the slide carefully. They boxed the whole word hair. Ria and her class. Ria and her class. Okay, is it clear? Now go to next one. Okay. Ria and her class draw. Ria and her class draw. Ria, R-I-A, Ria, and A-N-D, and her, H-E-R, her, class, C-L-A-S-S, class, draw, D-R-A-W, draw. Ria and her class draw. Ria and her class draw. Okay, now go to next whole word. The next whole word is us. The next whole word is us. Okay, now see some example. The teacher helps us all. The teacher helps us all. The T-H-E, the teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps, us, U-S, us, all, A-L-L, all. The teacher helps us all. The whole word as box it. Okay, students, see the slide carefully. Okay, now go to next example. The next example is you were looking at us. You were looking at us. You were looking at us. You, Y-O-U, you, were, W-E-R-E, were, looking, L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking at, A-T, at, us, U-S, us, you were looking at us. Okay, students, see the slide. This is your homework. Take a worksheet book. Suppose you don't have it, write on your notebook. Next, you do this. Okay, I read the question. Color the words provided below. Color the words provided below. First one, hair. First one, hair. Second one is us. Second one is us. Okay, this is your homework. Don't forget. Okay, students. Next, we will learn the story. The name of the story, So Many Houses. Last class, we learned the story. Yes, me and my family. Me and my family. Today we will learn the story, So Many Houses. So Many Houses. First we find the author name. Okay. The author name is Sakshi Bhatia. Author name is Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Deep Venha. Deep Venha. Okay, once again repeat it. The title of the story is So Many Houses. So Many Houses. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Author name is Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Kit D. Venka. Illustrator Kit D. Venka. Okay, now go to the story. Students, now I read the story. All of you follow me. Okay. Now start. The title of the story, So Many Houses. The title of the story, So Many Houses. So, S-O, so many, M-A-N-Y. So many houses. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. The title of the story is So Many Houses. Okay. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Higdi Venka. Higdi Venka. Okay. This is Ria and her class. This is Ria and her class. This, T-H-I-S, this is, I-S, is. This is Ria, R-I-A, Ria, and A-N-D, and her. H-E-R, her. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. This is Ria and her class. Okay. Now see the first sentence. This is Ria and her class. Now go to next one. Her class is drawing houses. Her class is drawing houses. Her, H-E-R, her. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Is, I-S, is. Drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Houses, H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. Her class is drawing houses. Her class is drawing houses. Okay. Now go to next one. Kiran draws a building. Kiran draws a building. Kiran, K-I-R-A-N, Kiran draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws a building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. Kiran draws a building. Kiran draws a building. Okay. Now go to next one. Aman draws a hat. Aman draws a hat. Aman, A-M-A-N, Aman draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws a hat, H-U-T, hat. Aman draws a hat. Okay, once again see the page, students. First one, Kiran draws a building. Kiran draws a building. Second one, Aman draws a hat. Aman draws a hat. Okay, now go to next one. See the slide carefully, children. Rohan draws an igloo. Rohan draws an igloo. Rohan, R-O-H-A-N, Rohan draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws, an, A-N, igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Rohan draws an igloo. Okay, now go to next one. Govind draws a cave. Govind draws a cave. Govind, G-O-V-I-N-D, Govind draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws a cave, C-A-V-E, cave. Govind draws a cave. Rohan draws an igloo. Govind draws a cave. Okay, now go to next one. Ria draws a boat house. Ria draws a boat house. Ria, R-I-A, Ria draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws a boat house. B-O-A-T, boat, house, H-O-U-S-E, house, boat house. Ria draws a boat house. Okay, now go to next one. Teacher helps all of us. Teacher helps all of us. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps. All, A-L-L, all, of, O-F, of, us, U-S, us. Teacher helps all of us. Teacher helps all of us. Okay, it's clear? Students, next we will learn 5 vocabulary words. Okay, first one is building. First one is building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. We know building is very, very huge. It has many rooms and many floors. Okay. Building. First vocabulary word is building. Second one is cave. Second one is cave. Do you know cave? Cave means kukai. Kukai weed. It's made from rock. Okay? Cave. Kukai weed. Second one is cave. Second one is cave. Third one is hut. Third one is hut. Do you know hut? Kudisa weed. That means kudisa weed. Hut. Fourth one is igloo. Fourth one is igloo. Igloo means it's made from only ice. Funny weed. Igloo. Fifth one is teacher. Fifth one is teacher. Who teaches lesson? Teacher. Who teaches lesson? Teacher. Okay. Today onward we will learn 5 vocabulary words. The first one is building. The first one is building. Second one is cave. Second one is cave. Third one is hut. Third one is hut. Fourth one is igloo. Fourth one is igloo. Fifth one is teacher. Fifth one is teacher. Okay. Now spell the word and next pronounce the word. Students, listen carefully. Building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. Building. Okay. Second one is cave. C-A-V-E. Cave. Cave. Okay. Third one H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Okay. Now go to the slide. Student, see the slide. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is building. Okay. See the picture, students, carefully. This is building. It is huge and it has many floors and rooms. Okay. Building. First one is building. First one is building. Okay. All of you follow me. Building. Go to the next one. Cave. Okay, student. See the slide carefully. This is cave. Coca weed. Cave. Cave. C-A-V-E. Cave. Next one. Hut. This is hut. H-U-T. Hut. Kudisa weed. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Next one is boat house. Next one is boat house. See the slide carefully, students. B-O-A-T. Boat. H-O-U-S-E. Boat house. Boat house. Now see the next one. Next one is teacher. Next one is teacher. Okay. Once again we recap the vocabulary words. Students, see the board. First one is building. Second one is cave. Third one is hut. Fourth one is igloo. Fifth one is teacher. Sixth one is boat house. Boat house. See the slide, students. Students, in the last class we learned parts of the story book. Okay, one time we recap this. Okay, first one is front cover, back cover, title, author name. Last one is page number. Okay, first one is front cover, back cover, title, author, page number. Straight. Now look at the character. We know characters. Characters are people and animals in the story. Characters are people and animals in the story. Characters are people and animals in the story. Okay, it's clear. Characters, people and animals in the story. Okay, now go to the next one. See the slide, students. Students, what do you see in this slide? This is family picture. Is it correct? Yes, this is family picture and I given filling the blanks also. You will find the answer. In this class we learned characters. Okay, you will choose one character and write about this character. This is your activity. It's clear. This is family picture. You will choose one character and you will write this character only. Okay, first one the brother, second one father, third one mother, last one sister. And first one is this is my dash. Second one, my dash name is dash. Third one is I dash with my dash. For example, I choose my father. In this picture, I will choose father. Okay, next we will see the answer. Okay, students, see the slide carefully. I given answer also. Okay, I will choose father. First one, this is my father. This is my father. My father's name is Vikas. My father name is Vikas. I study with my father. I study with my father. Okay, once again, see the slide carefully, students. This is your activity. You will choose any person in your family like brother, sister or your granny, etc. Okay, you will write 3 sentences about this character. Don't forget, this is your activity. Okay. Okay, students. Today class we learnt letter sounds M to Q and to whole words us and her, and we read the story so many houses and we have many activities also. Okay. Once again I do the angel clapping. Are you ready? Okay. See students, carefully see me. One, two, who, 3, 4, who, 5, 6, who, 5, 6, who. Okay, students, don't forget your homework. Please do your homework and send me. Okay, students, I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, students.